بسم الله. ادي triangle ABC مثلا for example triangle ABC. The small a means the side opposite to the angle A, and the small b means the side opposite to the angle B, and the small c means this angle. Okay. طيب كنا قلنا the formula of the sine A is A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. And we can use this formula or this rule if the given is one of the following. Number one, if the given is two angles and one side, any side. Or number two, the given is two sides and non-included angle. خدنا كمان the cosine rule ABC, and this is small a, small b, small c. The rule تبقى حاجة من اتنين. If the given اهو هكتب الحاجتين. If the given is three sides lengths أو three sides lengths هيبقى الرول بتاعتنا نستخدم انجل الفورمولا بتاعت الكوزاين دي has two formulas. Cosine A equals B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. You can use this formula if you have the three sides, and you can use this formula if the given is two sides and the included angle or the measure of the included angle, you can use this formula, which is A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine A. يبقى الأفضل إن احنا نستخدم this rule if the given is three sides, and this rule if the given is two angles and one side. لكن لو أنت استخدمت this rule if you have three sides, or this rule if you have two angles and one side، يعني عملت إيه؟ سواب بينهم كده، سواب كده بينهم، مفيش مشكلة عندنا. Okay, I'll give you some exercise about that. Solve triangle ABC if A equals 8 centimeters and B at the triangle A, B, C. A is 8 centimeters and B is 10 centimeters. Okay, 8 and 10. And measure of angle A is 58 degrees. How can we solve this triangle? The given is two sides and non-included angle. Then we are going to use the sine rule or cosine rule? Sine rule or cosine rule? أهلا وسهلا.
over sin A يبقى B over sin B.
أنا قلت if you have two sides and non-included angle a non-included angle يبقى use the sine rule. يبقى we are going to use the sine rule. If you use the cosine rule you cannot complete the solution عشان the given is not confirmed with the cosine rule. The given is confirmed with the sine rule. Okay, the given ده. طيب شوف كده يبقى عندنا and use the closed ratio. Closed ratio means numerator and denominator are in the given. So 8, which is A, over sine 58 equals B, which is 10 over sine B. And from this step, we are going to find the measure of angle B. Then sine B equals 10 sine 58 over 8. And use calculator please to find the result. Okay, كام يا جماعة؟ كويس؟
ثانية هجيب الكالكوليتر.
لحظة بقى، في هنا في حاجة مش كويسة. خلي الانجل دي 68. اوكي 68 68. خلي السايد ده 11. اوكي يبقى هنا 10 ساين 68 over 11.
زيرو.
Measure of angle B equals sine power of -1 of this answer, which is mean shift sign of this one. يعني sine power of -1 of answer اللي هو 0.84 ده. يعني equals كام؟ shift sign ل 8. shift sign ل 0.84 equals كام هنا؟ 57.14 degrees. Then measure of angle B equals this angle. Then we can use the property of the sum of the angles of the triangle to find the third angle. يعني you don't need to use the sine rule to find the third angle because you already have the two of them. Then measure of angle C equals 180 minus 68 plus, and the sum of 68 and 57.14, plus 68 equals 180 minus answer. So measure angle B, measure angle C will be 54.86 degrees. It's okay. Oh, you have the 6 items or 5 items until now. We have found 5 of them. We need A, B, C, and angle A, angle B, angle C. Okay? The A and B and C, angle A, angle B, angle C. We have the measure of the 3 angles. One of them is 58 degrees, and measure of angle B is 54.86 degrees. ولا كام دي 57.14 degrees, and measure of angle C is 54.86 degrees. And the length of the side A was 8 and B was 11. Then we need to find C to complete the items of the triangle. We can say that C over sine 54.86 equals A, use the given one, okay? Because if you have any mistakes, you will make another mistake. But if you use the given one, you will, inshallah, solve the exercise correctly. A over 8 over sine 68. Can you find C? 8 sine 54.86 divided by sine 68. Tell me the answer. تاني نقعد ننادي على الناس. Tell me the answer please.
مستر هو احنا
اوكي C equals كام؟ ها كام طلعت؟ ساين 68 equal 7.055. يعني approximately equal 7.1. 7.1. This is the exercise, and we have solved it by using the sine